Oh, do you want a shot? I think you do. You bang the drum? You gonna bang the drum? You do it. There we go. You hold the drum. Oh, this is it. Oh, one round. That's it. Yeah, that's a funny noise, isn't it? You want a shot? No? What have we got here? Different sounds we got. It's a funny noise. Hello. What's that? What's that? That's a funny noise, isn't it? Wow! Who's that? Head straight around trying to find what that noise was, don't you? See, that was up straight away, don't have to find out what it was. Good girl. Bap 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 bap. Bap 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 bap. Bap 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 bap. 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 Brilliant. That's it, excellent. Really, oh, that's brilliant. I mean, straight away, when I was going bap bap, what's the first thing she do? She's looking at the instruments, kind of. That's what you've just been showing me. It's making a noise, it must be one of them. So, you know, once you're starting talking to her now and she's with it, you know, she's like looking around straight away. You know, once she's got the idea that obviously this makes a noise, doesn't it? Yes. Brilliant. You've done very well. Done very well. We'll just keep that light one on just now. I can just turn it on so you